Hey guys, good morning. It's Mark. Thanks for watching another boring video. Right behind me is my Hyundai Sonata front bumper. It's a 2010. I guess you can say it's the limited, the GLS. It's all the same because it still has a fog light housing over it. If you guys saw my last clip, my front bumper my existing front bumper, there's a hole on the passenger fog light. I've got holes and markings all over it. It's, the car's 10 years old, so I finally bought a brand new bumper. I paid about $60. I'm gonna go drop it off to the body shop right now. They're charging me about $250 to get it painted. Again, I'm installing it myself. I'm gonna see if I can cut it down a little bit because I feel $250 for a paint job. I mean, it's a little too pricey if I'm the one that's going to put the bumper back onto my car. I don't know, I'm gonna see if I can wiggle that price. Always wiggle. Try to negotiate a good price. Don't just settle for the price they give you. Remember that. So I'm going to the mechanic, not the mechanic, but the body shop. And then I have packages that I need to drop off to the post office. Which, you know what? While I'm on the camera, let me thank a few of my customers. I got this package here. Patrick from Ohio. Patrick, thank you. What else do I have here? I have Elizabeth from California. Elizabeth, thank you. This is Gail from Texas. Gail, thank you. For those who are just tuning in, I make a living selling products online. I have some private labeling products that I buy from my distributor in China. I get some from Canada. I have some in New York City. I just distribute. I have a distribution in Long Island City, New York, where I get a few of my products. I have a distributor, my supplier in China, and that gets me. Well, I have 3 of them in China, and I have 1 in Canada. I get products. I also buy products here in the United States, in my hometown. If I see products that are selling low, I buy them and I sell them high online. So let's see what else do I have here. I have Amanda from Tennessee. Amanda, thank you. Don't want my phone to fall. Arlen from Texas. Arlen, thank you. Just a few more. Jerry from Hawaii. Jerry, thank you. Luckily, I know exactly what this is. This is a plug, so it won't break after that drop I just gave it. Steven from Los Angeles. Sorry that I dropped your package, but it's well protected. This is a bubble wrap mailer, and also within the product, it's packaged well, so you're fine. This can sustain an impact. You put a plug, an adapter plug, it can take a beating. Thank you, Steven from Los Angeles. And then my last one is a big boy. This is Laura from Chicago, Illinois. Laura, thank you for your order. All these packages are going out today. I'm gonna go to the post office, but first I gotta go to my body shop, drop off this front bumper, and get things done. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. I'm right here. This is it. It's called Top Gun. Alright. Let me just park my car here and see if I can go in from here. Oh, in the back. New office and parking in back. So let's check it out. Hey everyone, so I'm on my way, just keeping you guys posted. I got a call to go pick up my bumper and my grill. It's ready for pickup, so I'm heading there now. And I do want to say that Over the phone, they mentioned that the price is $300 for a bumper and $100 for the grill. This is unassembled, just painted. It's a little pricey, but I kept my mouth shut. I didn't try to wiggle or try to negotiate at a lower cost. They're the pros. So I'm gonna just wish when I get there that everything works well, the paint matches, there's no scratches. Again, I'm the one that's gonna have to assemble this. So to pay $400 off the bat, just for a paint job, no prep, no priming, no deassembling, you know, all that. So we'll see. I'm on my way now. I should be there within 15 minutes. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm going in. Is my bumper in the same spot as before? No, it's not. Let's see what they say. Forgot my mask. Gotta put on my mask. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. The bumper. Hi, Peggy. Okay.
It's not easy.
Yeah. Let me fill it in, huh? How much is the total? It's close to it.
Yeah.
I thank you.
It's gonna look a little whiter
Yeah.
because it's brand new
Hey,
paint.
listen,
You know?
no, you did a great job. Because the last two paint jobs I had, this came out yellow, greenish.
Yeah.
I was worried that's what I was gonna look at. No, thank you, thank you.
Where do you want to put it?
No, let me open the trunk.
I want to set it on the ground.
Yeah. Almost missed the stop sign. All right, guys, so we're back. We're heading home. I got my bumper. Love it. It looks great. He put it next to the car, and I felt it matches perfectly. He said it's just slightly off. That's just because my car is 10 years old, and he had to paint plastic, not metal. The hood and the fenders of my car is metal. The bumper is plastic. So he says that when you paint it, it looks slightly off, especially your car's 10 years old, but it doesn't look that bad because he said he's seen worse. I couldn't tell with my naked eye. It looked identical, and I was so happy because I remember I got a paint job long time ago on my back rear bumper, and it didn't match. It looked horrible. It looked cream color. Well, actually not the back bumper. It's the backs where my emblem is. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't have a Hyundai emblem. I have it's a Kia. I got it from Korean Auto Import. This emblem, forgot what it's called. Oh, is it LuxGen? I think it's the LuxGen. I don't even know what I'm rocking on the back of my car, but either way, I like it. It's the one with the. It looks kind of like a Genesis wing. Well, either way, it before I got that installed, I had to shave the Hyundai emblem, and it cost about $200 to have it shaved and painted, just that area right under the spoiler, and the job was horrible. It looked creamish, didn't even look white. So what did I have to do? A lot of people don't know this, but I wrapped it in white. So from the spoiler to the end of the trunk, it's all white, a white film. And then I put the emblem on there with a 3M tape. It's not screwed on. So that's what I did. I was concerned that this bumper was going to be cream color. It's not, it's white, and it matches, and I'm loving it. And I'm right here, you know what, let me show it to you guys. And that's the black bumper. Oh, sorry. There. That's the black bumper. Sorry, I can't even talk. It's the grill. That cost about $100 because they had to peel off the plastic dip and then sand it down and repaint it again. It looks nice. I'm glad everything worked out well. Well, right now I'm gonna walk into the post office, drop off 2 more packages that I have left, and then head home. All right, guys, I'll keep you posted. All right, so I'm back home. I got the bumper there. I'm gonna get started with removing my old bumper. I already installed a new grill. Love it, very shiny. I ordered this chrome piece here. I bought a new one because I accidentally broke this one trying to take it out. There are 3 screws right here. These are clips and 3 screws here. So I broke the screws, so now it's very loose. So just ordered another one, and I also have black wrap coming in the mail, so I can wrap this, and then the new white bumper that I have, I'm gonna wrap this area because I pretty much painted this with plastic dip years ago. Yeah. So it's pretty much these screws. The first thing you want to do is take out your headlights, then take out your grill, take out these screws, and then once you take out your headlights, I believe there's screws underneath the on top of this bumper here on this side for you to take out. I'm sure there's more on that side, but I'm gonna do it as I go. Okay, let me get started.